How to create a poll in an Instagram story. From your profile, you can click on the blue plus button on your profile photo if you haven't already published a story today, or go to the plus sign next to your username in the top right hand corner. This will bring up the create menu and you can click on story. That'll open up in selfie mode, so then you want to really quickly tap on create to give you a blank screen. Here we have a blank canvas and we want to click on the sticker icon up at the top in the middle. And now it does what it says on the tin, and we want to click on the poll option. And here you can type in your question. You can also change the answers, yes and no, to put in your own answers or options. If you want to change the background colour, look for the circle up on the top row and click on it to get pink. Click again to get a bluey purple. And my favourite is the orange. You can also drag the poll with your finger. Click and drag the section into the middle if you want it to sit there. And you can also add your hashtags and other stickers as required. And then you're ready to publish your story. If you've got any questions about your marketing and how I can help, send me a DM. Don't forget to follow me at @LouiseMason_me.